Hello students, how are you today? I hope everyone is great and you've been doing great in your classes. So welcome back to our another class for subject maths. And today we are going to learn about grouping in 10, page number 3, 4 and 8. Okay. So as I explain you in last 2 weeks, I explained you what is group. So a group is collection of things. Okay, so last time we studied about grouping in fives. So today we are going to learn about grouping in tens. So when we talk about grouping in tens, that means one group 10 things. Okay, it could be anything. One group 10 numbers, 10 erasers, 10 pencils. Okay, I have one example here. So you can see here how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 circles, one group. So these 10 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 circles, one group. Okay, so that's how you do grouping in tens. And next, okay, if we have 20 circles, suppose we have 20 circles. Okay, one group, 10 circles. So we have 20 circles. I just write down like this, 20 circles. So how many groups? 2, because one group 10 circles. So 20 circles, 2 groups. Okay, and next we will learn about subtraction to 0. So when we say about subtraction to 0, means we need 0. Like here, 4 minus 4 equals 0. So subtraction we say minus. Okay, here 4 minus 4 equals 0. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 8 minus 8 equals 0. So when we say subtraction to 0, means we need 0. Okay, I explain you one more time. Okay, so now I have 3 pencils in my hand. So how many pencils I have in my hand? 3. I have 3 pencils in my both hands. Okay, and if I take them and put them away, how many pencils I have now? 0. I don't have any pencil in my hand. So before I have 3 pencils in my hand, I put them away. So 3 minus 3 equals 0. So I don't have any pencil in my hands, so that means 0. Okay, another example I can explain you. Okay, so now I have 4 markers. Okay, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4 markers. Okay, so now I have 4 markers in my hand. I put them away. How many markers I have in my both hands? 0. So 4 minus 4 equals 0. So that's how we do subtraction. And here I have I wrote down numbers until 20, from 1 to 20. So this is the correct order to write down numbers. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So as you can see, we also have a group here. So this is one group, because we had 10 numbers, so we are doing grouping in tens. Okay, so and that's how we write down numbers in correct order. So we have 10 numbers, one group. Okay, so we can say group A. Next, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again we have 10 more numbers. Okay, we have 10 numbers here, we have 10 more numbers here. So this is one more group. So we can give group B. So how many groups? 2 groups. And how many numbers we have? 20. How many numbers in one group? 10 numbers. And how many in A and B? A and B, 20 numbers. And this is also a correct order to write down numbers. So coming on to grouping in tens. So here I have one example. Okay. So this example, how we can find out how many groups are there. If we need to find out how many groups. So, but now we are doing grouping in tens. So there are how many triangles in each group, and there are how many groups altogether. First, we are doing grouping in tens. So we need to count how many triangles. We are doing triangles. So how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I can write down the number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Next 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So we have 20 triangles and we are doing grouping in 10. So we give 10 triangles in one group. So we make a circle around here. So that means one group. Okay. And there are 10 triangles in one group. And how many left now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can make one more group. So how many groups? 2 groups. Okay. So how many triangles in one group? There are 10 triangles in each group. So there are how many groups? 1 and 2. So we have 2 groups. So there are 10 triangles. In one group, how many triangles? 1 until 10. So 10 triangles in each group means how many in one group. Okay. And there are 2 groups altogether. Here, example 2. Example 2 is about how to write down numbers in correct order. So here you can see I have numbers, but they are not in correct orders. Like after 19 should be 20, but we have 16. So how do we write down numbers in correct order? So we start with the smallest one. We find the smallest one. So the smallest one is here, number 1. So number 1. And what comes next? Number 1 after? What comes after number 1? Number 2. Number 2. So then number 3. Number 4. So we write down 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Because we have last number here, 20. So that's how we write down number in correct order. Okay. So this is all about grouping in tens, subtraction to 0 and writing numbers in correct order. So this is that's all in first video. Okay, I will see you in the next video and I will give you tasks to do. Okay, thank you. Hello students, welcome back to our second video for today's class. So today we are learning about grouping in tens and we are studying maths. So as I explained you in the last video, grouping in 10 and subtraction to 0 and like how to write numbers in correct order. So coming on to your task 1. So task 1 is on your book, page number 3. So page number 3. So what you need to do, write the numbers 1 to 20. Okay, so now you need to write the numbers 1 to 20 in correct order on the books. Here you can see books. here. So you need to write down numbers from 1 to 20 on the books here. Okay, so this is your task 1. So task 2 is on page number 4. Page number 4. Circle the stems in groups of 10. So now we have groups of 10. So you count how many stems are here. So these are stems. Okay, write the numbers in the boxes below. So write the numbers in the. So first you need to count how many stems are here. So then you need to circle them in groups of 10. So you circle 10 stems in one group, like here. I circle 10 triangles in one group. So you need to do the same. You need to circle 10 stems in one group. And then write down there are how many groups. So you will find out stems in each group. So in one group, how many stems and how many groups are there. So this is your task 2. And next, task 3. Task 3 is about subtraction. So here you can see this picture. Look at the picture carefully, then answer the questions. So this means bird park. Okay. So how many, your first question, how many flamingos are there? So where are the flamingos? Flamingos are here. Yeah, flamingos bird. So you can count how many flamingos are there. Next, if flamingos fly away, how many flamingos are left? So you count how many are there first. So you count how many they are first. And if 5 fly away, means 5 flamingos go away. Okay, like I explained you in the last video, if I have 3 pencils and I put 3 pencils away, how many I have? So first there are, you can count how many flamingos, and then next, if 5 flamingos fly away, how many flamingos are left? Next, how many parrots are there? So count parrots here. How many parrots are there? Okay, I can explain you one with parrots. So how many, this one about flamingos, you do by yourself, okay? So parrots, how many parrots are there? Only 2, 1 and 2. So you write down number 2. How many parrots are there? 2. If 2 parrots fly away, how many parrots are left? If 2 parrots fly away, that means 2 parrots fly away means 2 minus 2 equals 0. So you write down 0 there. Means if 2 parrots fly away, there will be no more parrots there. So you write down 0 here. So this is your task 3. Because now we need to speed up things to cover, because you will have your exam soon. So we need to finish this. We need to cover our syllabus. So we will speed up things. So you might get a lot of homework and tasks to do. Okay, so it's fine. I'll be there. If you will have any doubts, any questions, I'll be there. And one more thing, so now we have a YouTube channel. So you can search for YouTube channel Camtop International School. So if you want to watch any videos again, anytime again, so you can go on YouTube, search on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe, so you can watch any videos over there. Okay, so this is the end of our second video. That's all in our second video. I will see you in the last video to give you homework. Thank you. Hello students, welcome back to our third and last video for today's class. So as you know, we are learning about grouping in tens, subtraction to 0, and writing numbers up to 20 in correct order. And last week we learned about addition to 10, okay, like 10 plus 2, 10 plus 3, 10 plus 5, 10 plus 8. Okay, and today we learn about subtraction to 0. Subtraction means minus. Okay, so coming on to your homework. So your first homework is on page number 7. Page number 7. Okay, so So this is a picture villa. Okay, so they have numbered the parking lots from 11 to 20. Give each lot a different color. So you have some numbers you already have, like 11, okay, 15, 18, 20, and you write down rest of the numbers from 11 until 20. Then color each bus to match the parking lot. Okay, so color them different, like you can color here color different, like red, orange, blue, yellow, green, so different. And then color the, okay, suppose if you color green here, number 11 you color green, and you have 11 here, number 11, so you color same. Okay, like 15, suppose you color orange. Okay, and 20 means 20. Okay, 20 you color brown. So here you have 20, so you need to color brown. So whatever you color here, you need to find color the same number here. Okay, so these are cars, okay, buses. So these are buses. So if you color green here, so you need to color same here, green to number 11 bus. So this is your first homework. Second homework. Second homework on page number 9. Okay, so your second homework is on page number 9. So I'm not writing it on the board. Okay, so you watch this video very carefully, then you will know your homework. Otherwise I will drop a message. To let you know what is your homework and what are your tasks. So second homework, page number 9. So you can see here they have 10 fish, 10 fish, 10, 10. Okay, so you can check here. Feed us 11 fish. Feed us, how many fish they want? 11. So you have 10 here. Okay, 10 here. So you draw the correct number of fish in the empty buckets to make up these numbers. So you draw fish here. They have 10 here. They want 11. How many more they need? 10 plus. Okay, I can teach you. I can explain you one. 10. So they want 11. 10 plus 1. So you draw one fish here and write down. Okay. So write down. Here, write down 1. Okay, here 0 and 1. Feed us 14 fish. So they want 14 now. You have 10. So how many you will add more into 10 to make it 14? So how many more? 10 plus how many more to make it 14? So you draw that much fish here. So they feed us 17 fish. So 10 plus how many you will add more to make it 7? So you draw same number of fish here and write down here. Feed us 20. So 10 here. So how many you will add more? And then write down here. Draw fish here. So this is your second homework. So next, third homework. So use green to color the cable cars going to Sentosa and then count them. So these are cable cars. So this side you can see, this side they are going to Singapore. This side they are going to Sentosa. So these going to Sentosa and these are going to Singapore. So use green color to color the cable cars going to Sentosa. So color green and use red color. So color these red. So then write down there are cable cars in each group. So grouping in tens. So same grouping in tens. So you count total how many cable cars. So how many in one group? One group 10 cable cars. And there are cable cars. So how many total? So this is your third homework. Last is easy. Okay, last easy. So last homework you need to subtract. 4 minus 4 equals, so you already have number here, so trace it. Draw the correct number of sweets in each jar. So you need to draw each correct number of sweets. Sweets mean candies. You can draw candies here. 0, you don't need to draw anything. I can explain you 1. Here 1, only draw 1. So you follow the numbers and draw sweets in each jar. So these 4 pages are your homework. So if you will have any questions, any doubts, I'll be there to help you, to assist you. Okay, so this is the end of our today's class. Take care, be safe, wash your hands regularly, and try not to go out. Okay, and I will see you next week. Thank you.